Welcome to Scoobdad Snack Shack. Now let's get to grubbing. Now that's grubbing. Alright, what's up everybody? How are we doing today? So, it's a glorious, beautiful day here today. Look at this. How beautiful it is outside today. Anyway, I thought today was as good as any day to get our grubbing on. So I thought I'd make a little something today. We're going to be making a smoked Pollock fish with a wild rice pilaf and some sautéed asparagus and a fresh garlic butter. So strap on in and get ready to get your grub on. Let's get to grubbing. We'll start with making this here brine for the fish. That's that fish in that brine. Alrighty, while we wait for this here pan to heat up so we can cook this bacon, we're going to stuff these jalapenos over here with this mozzarella and wrap those with some bacon. We're going to make some bacon stuffed, or actually bacon wrapped stuffed jalapeno poppers, I guess, yeah, with fresh marinated mozzarella. Oh yeah, get in my belly. Alright, mozzarella. Let's get that bacon on over here real quick. Alright everybody, so we're about to turn this pit boss smoker on and get it up to temp so we can get that fish on. Oh, and the jalapenos, that's right, we're going to smoke those too. That's right, baby. Smoking everything. We smoke everything around here. Well, maybe not everything. Most things though. Alrighty, so we're going to turn this guy on. And we're going to put it on just smoke for a little bit because we want it between 150 and 200, and so I don't want to put it on 200 just yet because that's the max we want to go. So if I put it on just smoke, it should get to around 180 degrees, I think, in there. So I think that's what we're going to smoke our fish at. We're going to see. And if it won't get up to 180 on just smoke, then we'll put it up to 200 for a little bit. Alrighty, we're out here, the smoker's going. It's only been a few minutes. It's kicking up there. But that's normal, you know. They kick up temperature at first. Look at all that smoke. I'm letting it out though. Gotta be careful. Look at the fire down there. It's not big yet, but You see it in there? Ugh. About time to clean it out, I think. Anyway, just let this go for a while. It should drop back down. See, there it goes. Should continue to drop down. Should just keep dropping down till somewhere around 180, and then we'll be ready to get that fish on. Smoking away. Yet, going down a little. We'll keep waiting. It is hot out here. It is hot out here. Matter of fact, it's such a nice day. I thought we'd go take a little tour of the yard, huh? Let's go for a little walk around. It ain't big. It ain't nothing special. But this is it. This is mi casa. It's the backyard. Bunch of bushes and whatnot. Oh yeah. There's the fire pit over there. Right there. That we never use. Because, I mean, look at this stuff. Look how it is out here in California. Burns. Stuff, you know. Burns out here, but yeah. Oops, got my finger in the way. Big field, golf course, other houses. Vince's little hideout corner. Yeah, so this is it, everybody. This is it. Let's go check that smoker. Still 215. Probably gonna take a little while to drop down the temp, I guess. Oh, that's one key crucial part of the house. My hot tub. Oh yeah, that's my hot tub, ladies. Come on. This is where I throw them pool parties. You know what I'm saying? Them hot tub parties. Hot tub town. Disco pool party. Come on over. That's right. Welcome to the disco pool party. Oh, and I forgot the garden. My tomatoes and jalapenos. You know, ever since that caterpillar, you know, they haven't been back. But he ate my plant pretty well. Check it out. There's that tomato plant he was in. It's still alive. It's still kicking. There's still a couple little tomatoes coming in. Boop, boop, boop. But right there. And that guy. I had a couple big ones right there. And then my jalapeno. He's doing real good, real healthy. But still just budding, still just flowering. And then my yellow pear, that's the big dog around the yard. And oh, there's another one right there. Yeah. But I just picked all the yellow guys off him yesterday, so man, it is hot outside, let me tell you. It is hot outside. Shh. Hot outside. Alrighty, so that smoker is just about ready, so we're gonna go in here and grab the fish and the jalapenos and go throw them on the smoker. You guys excited as I am? Here they are, here they are. Let's go ahead and take this outside. Take this outside. And watch this. Power of magic and my eye cream tea shit. We're gonna go from in here to out there. And bam! Here we are. Alrighty. Let's turn this camera around for you real quick. Alrighty, I already got one of these in here. We're gonna go ahead and put the jalapenos right here on this. There we go. And I already got the fish on one just for easy transportation, and you know, because fish is real flaky and falls apart. But there we go. Now this is gonna go for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but we'll check it in a little bit. So yeah, like I said, about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then we'll check it. But we'll check it, you know, probably about 30-40 minutes, and yeah, we'll see how they're doing. All right, we'll see you then. I say let's go take a look, huh? You guys like meat and cheese? I love meat and cheese. Been on for like 40 minutes or so. Let's take a look. Oh, dang it. Oh. Here we go. Oops, sorry. Saved it. Saved the cheeses. What I should have done is more like this one. Just wrapped over. I had to wrap them over on these guys, so I got smart on the last one. Be smart on the first one, not the last one, everybody. There's that fish, huh? Alright, it's been an hour now, so we're gonna go look at these and probably flip them over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. We're gonna flip all this over, save that cheese. Alrighty. That's hot. Alrighty, about another half hour, maybe 45 minutes or so. So I'm gonna do the rice and the asparagus while we wait. So we got all our veggies and stuff here. Here's our onions, carrots, so some of the green, the bellies, and your mushies right there, huh? Here's that garlic butter we made. Ooh, huh? Isn't that nice? We're gonna slice this a little bit. We're gonna use it to cook with. We're gonna use it to garnish. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get rocking on that right now. Quick stir around. Look at that. Sweating together real nicely. Stock here. Looking good. And add turn this up, get it up to a boil. That's up to boil. I got a cup of white rice and a cup of wild rice that we're gonna mix into this. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty, water's boiling. So let's add that rice. White and some wild. Alrighty, we're going to cover this, reduce it, lower the heat, let it simmer. 20 minutes. Alrighty, this pilaf should be done. Ooh, that's hot, be careful. We got to get this asparagus going. Give it a little taste. Let's go. It's a little crunchy. You can always make a little more broth and mix it in and get it going a little bit. Okay. We'll get this ready. We need some more of that garlic butter. Asparagus. That's pan switch. Here we go. Let's get this going. Now cook that down. That is going. Alrighty, here we are. Let's take a look. Alright. Woo! Yep. I'd say we are just about done. Yep. Alright, I think it's about time to pull that fish off and the peppers and whatnot. They be done. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's time, it's time. Let's take that off of there. Alright. Gonna give this a stir. And look. Oh yeah. Look at those puppers, huh? That fish. Let's check this asparagus. Not quite. Almost. A little crunchy. Put that in there. Let that go for a minute, and then we'll be ready to plate. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and cook up a little bacon. Who doesn't love a little bacon, right? This. Alrighty. This is done. We're gonna plate now. Take this guy, fill it up. Alright. Right here. And there you have it. Your smoked Pollock with your wild rice pilaf, sauteed asparagus, homemade garlic butter, stuffed jalapenos. Yeah, this looks pretty bomb, doesn't it? Now there's only one thing we gotta do, right? Mmm. Now that's grubbing. Almost forgot. Now that's grubbing. Look at that kitty. What a handsome kitty. Vince the Pinch kitty.